Today we're going to take a walk through a 2020 Sea Ray 280 SLX. Beautiful open bow. This one's got super low hours, big block power, folding arch. You can see the beautiful black gel-coated hull, stainless rubrail. There's your fuel fill. You've also got pop-up fender holders. This one sits on a custom Myco trailer. Ship-to-shore radio. You can see the low-profile antenna. Moving up front, we've got docking lights. Got a forward wash-down shower as well. Stainless bow scuff plate. Trailer has custom wheels, matching spare. This boat has an enclosed head. That's the porthole right there. Take a nice walk through the interior in a minute. Moving around the back of the boat, you got a roomy swim platform, non-slip flooring. You've got a power extended swim platform. You've got a drop-down swim ladder. You've also got trim tabs. Pretty cool. They tuck right up against the boat. Also have underwater transom LED lighting. Gorgeous layout, top quality construction. Quiet ride hull. Do have a ski tow eye back here as well. Now we're going to pull up a ladder, take a walk through the inside. Now we're going to take a walk through the inside. You can see we've got a walk-through transom entrance. Rear-facing fusion speakers. Rear swim platform. Beautiful marine mat flooring. We've got a spacious sunpad. Polished cup holders. The sunpad has multiple position backrests. They set independently of each other. Pretty cool. Transom wash-down shower. Rear fusion remote. Easy access to your battery switches. U-wrap rear seating. Excellent condition. Awesome fit and finish. It's a very roomy layout. Comfortable, awesome flooring. Passenger side bucket seat. You do have a flip-up base. Enclosed head. Nice and deep. Porta potty. Matching flooring. Stainless sink. Porthole. Nice layout. Stitching on the walls. All the details, very high end. Well done. Passenger glove box. Beautiful helm area. Got a wide side-by-side driver seat here. Flip-up base as well. More Fusion speakers. Mercury control. Tilt wheel. Beautiful flat screen dash. Side-by-side simrads. Looks sleek. Very trick. GPS and all your engine readouts. Look at that, 76 hours. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Got a big in-floor ski locker. Moving up to the helm. And then to the open bow here. You have a folding door. Spacious open bow. Flip down armrests. Got a storage locker for an anchor. Beautiful, like new condition. Black coated windshield frame. Beautiful tower. Very comfortable upholstery. Soft touch vinyl. Beautiful stitching. Got a subwoofer here. USB outlet. Push button power engine hatch. With the arch, you also have a bimini top. Boat is equipped with the Mercruiser 8.2 mag HO. Big block power, smooth runner, fuel injected. And with just 76 hours on her, she's got a lot of life. You also have a windshield wiper up here. Snap-on bow and cockpit covers. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. We'll continue filming our walkthroughs of these boats, dyno sessions, other cool comings and goings here at Grand Sports Center. We do update our inventory on our website daily, grandsportscenter.com. You can follow us on Facebook, Grand Sports Center Inc. And if you have any questions, please give us a call, 847-458-6488. Thank you for watching.